Today I want to share a piece of my day with a vibrant salad that brings so much crisp, natural energy to the table. It's my cozy rocket, pear, and quinoa salad. Come with me. Let's half the pear, remove the core, and chop it into small, bite-sized chunks. I like to keep the skin on for that extra crunch and wholesome fiber. Next, thinly slice the spring onion. It adds just the right hint of fresh zest. Roughly chop the walnuts into smaller pieces. I tend to include walnuts because they're like premium fuel for your brain, packed with omega-3s that help keep our minds sharp and calm down internal inflammation. Now, in a large bowl, combine the fresh rocket, pear chunks, walnuts, sweet raisins, spring onion, and cooked quinoa. Pour over that bright seed mustard dressing and toss everything together gently. I love how beautifully the colors and textures come together. This tangy dressing matches the ingredients so perfectly. The balance between the peppery rocket, sweet pear, and nutty crunch is absolute perfection. Eat well, feel light.